Hey, what's up everybody? Today's a quick short on the 1200cc 40 horsepower rebuild kit from vwbeetle that I purchased for my 1965 VW Bug. We're gonna unbox it, show you what's all in there, and just kind of check out the quality and whatnot. So let's get to it. All right, the first thing I got here is the gasket kit. We have, looks like everything's in there. We got some stills, some cork, some rubber. It's L-ring. It's saying that the parts are made in Germany. So that is the gasket kit. And then we got the brand new pushrod tubes, 8 of those. And then we have probably the coolest looking part of the kit is the piston and cylinder with the, these are 77 millimeter pistons. And we have all 4 in there. And they came with the wrist pin. And of course, we got the clips from as well. The only thing I got on the box is it's AA. So I guess AA is the company, AA piston and liner maybe. It does have an EMPI sticker on it. So originally coming from EMPI, but the box does have made in China. So we remanufactured in China or whatnot. All right, moving on. We got the rods. These are VW rods. They look pretty straightforward to me. Not bad. All right, from Silverline engine bearings. These are the rod bearings, the big end. Another box from Silverline. These are 40 over. These are the bearings that we'll use for the crank. All right, then we have the original orange box of Rio. These are our lifters or valve tappets. All right, and then we have an oil screen from EMPI in the kit. All right, that looks like everything for the little boxes. Now we have a, what looks like an original VW cam. Looks machined really well. We'll measure everything before we lay it into the case. And then onto our crank here. Heavier parts is a machined crank here, right? That should match the mains that we got. But again, the machining looks really good. It's a VW, it's got the VW emblem showing that it's a VW crank. Again, that's everything that's in a 1200cc 40 horsepower kit from vwbbeetle.com. Quick review. Again, we got 77 millimeter pistons and barrels. You do get, again, 4 OE rods, reground. We got an OE cam, an OE crank. We got the lifters from Rio, and I like it on here. It says the original orange box, quality since 1946. And then Silverline main bearings and rod bearings. An oil screen, again with an EMPI logo on it, assuming it's from EMPI. 8 pushrod tubes and a gasket kit. It's L-ring. It's saying that the parts are made in Germany. So everything looks solid on the kit. As far as customer service goes from vwbbeetle.com, they definitely always answered my phone calls. The website seems to be pretty easy to follow. Now, it did take a long time to get these parts, man, but everything I've ordered automotive-wise post-COVID seems to be taking a long time, so I'm not gonna dwell on that too much. It is what it is, but I'm glad the parts are here. So now we can get started, hopefully, properly assembling this 1200cc 40 horsepower for my 65 VW Bug. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.